Hey, little bee, it's Grandma. I'm making fruit salad in my kitchen today. Do you want to cook with me? Let's do it. The more we cook together, 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 the more we cook together, the happier we'll be. Hey, LB, my grandma chair is all ready for you. Let's get cooking. There are 5 ingredients that we will be cooking with today. Banana, strawberry, blueberry, yogurt, and honey. Banana, strawberry, blueberry, yogurt, and honey. Here's what we'll do for our recipe. Are you ready? We'll peel banana, peel banana, peel banana, peel banana. Slice the berries, slice the berries, slice the berries, slice the berries. Sprinkle the bloobs, sprinkle the bloobs. Sprinkle the bloobs, sprinkle the bloobs. Scoop the yogurt, scoop the yogurt, scoop the yogurt, scoop the yogurt. Drizzle the honey, drizzle the honey, drizzle the honey, drizzle the honey. That's it. Let's get started. Grandma's going to peel the banana, just like a monkey would. Here it comes, all the way out. There it is. I'm going to break it into 3 pieces. 1, 2, and 3. There are 4 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grandma has the cup slicer. It's one of our favorites. Are you ready? Here we go. 1 strawberry, 2 strawberries, 3 strawberries, 4 strawberries. Now we're ready for the bananas. 1 banana, 2 banana, 3 bananas. Now let's shake our fruit out. Here come the strawberries and the bananas. Shake, shake, shake. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. They're all out. Look at all that beautiful fruit. Bananas, strawberries, and blueberries. We love to call them bloobs. Let's scoop some yogurt. How many scoops should we add? Let's count. 1, whoops, 2, and let's do 3. 3 scoops. Let's mix it up. Strawberry, strawberry, banana, banana, blueberry, blueberry, and yogurt, and yogurt. Time to scoop. I've got 1 bowl for you and 1 bowl for me. Scooping it in. Your bowl is all full. Now Grandma's gonna fill up her bowl, maybe a little bit more in yours. I know how much you like strawberries. Let's get them all full of fruit. They're all full. Let's drizzle. Here we go. We're drizzling, we're drizzling, we're drizzling the honey. Next one. We're drizzling, we're drizzling, we're drizzling the honey. 1 fruit salad for you and 1 fruit salad for me. Oops, I almost forgot spoons. Silly Grandma. 1 spoon for you, 1 spoon for me. Guess what time it is, little bee? It's the end of our cooking time together. Time to clean the kitchen. Grandma will start by putting away the grandma chair. This is our song. It's not very long. Goodbye.